Assalamu alaikum everyone. Happy New Year. I hope you guys having a good start to the year already. And today I'm going to share with you guys 2019's first recipe. It's how to make peri peri rice. For peri peri rice, the ingredients I'm using are cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 4 tablespoons of peri peri sauce, 1 medium tomato, 1 cup of pre-boiled rice, 1 onion and bell peppers. So guys, for peri peri sauce, the ingredients we need are, here are the chilies, you can buy them easily from any grocery shop, 2 lemons, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, oil, cooking oil, olive oil, any oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, vinegar, lemon juice. So guys, peri peri rice is all ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Inshallah, I will see you guys soon with more tasty recipes. Khuda Hafiz.